What is going on, everybody? My name is Baloo and welcome to the jungle. This is the channel where we take a very simple approach to technical analysis. We look at the price in the context of volume using the Wyckoff method. If that is something that interests you, then why don't you hit the subscribe button? I do this every single day, except for the days that I don't. So in today's video, I want to talk about some of the signals, some of the hints, some of the flashes that are coming into the crypto space that are indicating the potential of a rotation of funds out of Bitcoin, the profits that are being taken of Bitcoin and being invested into the altcoin space. So there are three charts that I like to look at that are very interesting, and they are kind of building that case, building building the clues towards the fact that we may actually be entering a very significant bull run in the altcoin space. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at a chart that a lot of people are very familiar with, and that is the Bitcoin dominance chart. So Bitcoin dominance, it is a chart that is a reflection of how much of the market share does Bitcoin hold when compared to the rest of the cryptocurrencies. So with the Bitcoin dominance chart, I kind of keep it really simple. I don't look for patterns per se. I don't look for trading ranges really. I don't look for any RSI or any of that stuff. I'm just looking at the trend. So for now, the trend is, we got a high, we got a low, we got a higher high, and we got a higher low. But on the short to medium term here on the Bitcoin dominance chart, if we zoom in here, we do have a trend that is developing to the downside. This is very favorable for altcoins. So as you can see here, we have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, lower high, and we're now printing a lower low. What's interesting about this lower low is we're actually also looking to break this area of concern right here. You can see how we had that consolidation, and then when we finally broke through the floor of that, we had a huge move to the downside down to this level right here that I have marked as support. This would be an incredible altcoin run if we could get that. So that is hint number one. Hint number two is I want to take a look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. So we'll just delete some of these marks here, and then I want to go and take a look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. So when looking to see the performance of an asset when compared to another one, I mean, Bitcoin is the king of the space. So what you want to see is you want to see that altcoins are beginning to outcompete Bitcoin. So basically my go-to is Ethereum, because Ethereum has the largest market share of the altcoin space. Period. Bitcoin has the largest share of the entire crypto space. Ethereum has the largest share of the altcoin space. And what we are seeing right here inside of this consolidation range is we are seeing a break of the downward sloping line of resistance. This is the first signal here. We have a signal flashing that there is strength. Can I spell signal? We have the first signal of strength coming in right here, and we're looking to break out. Let me clean this up. This is getting a little messy here. And we're looking to break this level right here. We want to break out of this level. It'll look something like this, and then a continuation to the upside. If we can get that break, that is going to be a very strong signal that is indicating to macro traders, institutional investors, but more importantly, the kind of crypto OGs, the whales. They're finally seeing the Bitcoin comparative. Some of these altcoins, when compared to the Bitcoin chart, are beginning to outperform Bitcoin, and that's when the magic happens. When they start to rotate their funds into altcoins, when they feel safe that the altcoins are ready to go for a run, then they start to diversify their portfolio. For the most part, a lot of the crypto whales, they're holding Bitcoin all throughout this run, and they've been really limiting the available supply and allowing true markup to happen inside of Bitcoin, which has been fantastic. But now it is time for the altcoins to run. There is one more chart that I want to take a look at, but before that, I just want to point your attention to my website. If you go to the description down below, go and check out beluscryptojungle.com. I offer mentorship and coaching, as well as a trading group and signals inside of Discord. So $14.99 a month will get you VIP access to the Discord, where I post a ton of material. We've got a lot of VIP charts and setups. I'm pretty much posting setups every single day, and we've had some bangers as of recently. So we got in on YFI. INJ has been looking, Injective Protocol has been looking really, really good. We got into Link, we got into Band, we got into OMG, a lot of these coins, and these are posted daily. So if you're looking to follow some of my trades and just get guidance, I really encourage you, if you're new to crypto, let's say, you are one of the people who decided to try and make money online as a result of losing their job to the coronavirus. You need to hit the books. You really need to hit the books and really understand that this is a very volatile space. And what comes with that is extreme upside and extreme downside. So you need to know how to protect yourself. You need to know how to limit risk, how to take a position, how to, not FOMO into these coins, how to understand what a good project is and what a bad project is, and really give yourself the ability to discern what a good investment is and how long to hold it, price targets, when do you take profits, all of that sort of thing. We teach you, and it is very important that you learn how to fish for yourself. And that's the kind of culture that I want to bring to the table with my group. We focus a lot on education. A trader is self-reliant. We need to get you to the point where you don't need me. When you don't need me, that's when you become profitable. So I encourage you to join the Discord, and we will see you there. That's enough of the pitch. Let's go to the last chart. So another chart that I like to pay attention to is the total 2. So there's a couple charts. You have the total market cap for the entire cryptocurrency space. This pretty much looks like the Bitcoin chart. It's not, we can see when the entire crypto space is going to go up, but what is more interesting is total 2. So total 2, you can see we have reached a buyer's climax here, and we had a automatic reaction down here, and we've been range bound. So what I am looking for inside of total 2 is I'm looking for a break of this buyer's climax. So if we can get a break above this level, retest down, and start heading up into markup, that's going to be the final straw. That's going to be the last signal. We're going to see a ton of coins pump in this area right here where we are trying to break through that resistance. And we're already beginning to see it. If we take a look at some of these coins that we in the VIP group are in, you can see, Ethereum's up 8% on the day. Atom, congratulations to my VIP channel, VIP group. We had Atom posted just the other day, so congrats to those who took that trade. YFI is doing very well. Some other insane ones like Avalanche is doing crazy moves. There's a lot. So, we have a lot of eyes on this market. We have a lot of really good analysts in the group who are trying to, make heads or tails as to what is going on, and we focus on the technicals. The fundamentals are great. We encourage you to study and do your own research and learn the fundamental side, but the fundamentals only cover demand. They do not cover supply. So what we focus on is learning how to read volume, how to read price, so that we can see what the whales are doing, what they are where they are putting their money, where they are placing their bets, so that we can be on the receiving end of their fantastic trading setups, because the whales are always right. Anyways, that is all the time I have for today. If you enjoyed the content, please leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And if there are any projects that you would like me to take a look at, leave them in the comments section down below. And until next time, please trade safe. It is a jungle out there. Peace.